are Codemy, and today I'll be sharing with you a web scraper that I built. It fetches the latest news and the weather, and it displays it on a web page. So the basic things are requests and beautiful soup, as well as time. Time was for when I appended the news articles to the a text file, txt file, but I'm not doing that anymore. So we can get rid of this time. And to display it on a web page, I'm using Flask. Here I'm initializing the Flask application. Here I have the URL for the weather website. We'll be using weather.com, and we'll use Fox News for getting the news. Then we have the header, user agent, and then we're making a Flask root / home, or just normal /. We're returning render template for home.html, which is here. It extends base.html, and it's just a welcome page, nothing fancy. Then we go to the news / news, and here it gets the news by getting the page, then creating a soup object, an empty list of articles. Then we find all the articles with the class title color default. So those are the headings, or the headlines of the articles. We're getting them, we are appending them, then we are returning it as variable for our news.html template to use. Articles is equal to articles, and let me just show you the news.html. So here we are utilizing it right over here. For article in articles, the first 5 articles from Fox News I'm getting. For article in articles, the first 5. Then for each one I'm creating a separate div, and then I'm displaying it. Next I have the get weather, same page and all that. Then we are finding first the location, then the time, the degrees, and this rain div is for nested finding, if you would. So rain div is basically a div in weather.com which shows the chances of rain, but it's a div, so I find the span. So this div contains only one item, that's a span tag, and that span tag has the chance of rain in that region. So I'm getting that, and then I'm making a new variable, rain chance is item.text. Then here I'm printing in location as of this time, the temperature is this degrees with this % rain chance. Then I just leave a blank line, if name equal main, and just a CSS, very basic CSS, nothing too fancy going on. Okay, so the code is running right over here. If I go here, see, appears weather news. This is a div. Then let's say we want to get the news. But this is the top 5 articles from Fox News. Detroit police chief reacts to fired officer facing murder charges in Rayshard Brooks killing. And if we actually head on over to Fox News, boom, here it is. And if I just inspect element and show you, so I click on this tool to like select items, and here you can see that it is, see, H2 classes title color default. Then we have experts warn North Korea will likely attack presidential election. What's that? It's the same. And let's see, what does a fourth stimulus plan look like? What does a fourth stimulus plan look like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, actually 6. My bad. There were 6 news articles. And I haven't actually made the route for the weather, but we can do that if we, first up, let's just stop the server, and in the end we can also print get weather. Then I'll just print, leave a line, python main.py. I'm not sure if this will work. Okay, debugger pin is this. Will you work, my friend? Okay, this boy is not working. What if I refresh this? Then will it work? Nope, it ain't working. You know what? Let me just call get weather in the home route. I think that will work. Nope. Get weather. If I go back to the home page, do we get the weather, boys? Do we get the weather? Come on, give me the weather. Okay, it's not working. We can't get the weather. That's sad. What can we do? You know what? Let's just make get weather a route. Let's just make a route real quick for it. The weather route, and I always use comments whenever I am making a project like this one, because if I read this code I'll know what it is, but if I show it to someone else then you won't understand it, because this is computer language. It's not like your basic English or something. Okay, now I've made this a route. Oh, we haven't actually assigned that. Let's do that as well. href is slash weather, and I'm using tab 9, so that's why it shows all these like suggestions and all. Okay, let's go to slash weather. The function what? Huh? Is you kidding me? Return, if you will. Okay. Now will it work? Like, I'm just making all these changes because I want to show you guys that it actually works. Okay, yeah, in Haryana, Gurgaon, India, weather as of this is 38 degrees with 5% chance of rain till 12:30. It's currently 11:44, and if you head on over to weather.com, see 37 degrees, 38, because I haven't refreshed it. If I refresh it, here it shows 38 degrees. Same time as of 11:42. Was that 11:42? Yes. 5% chance of rain till 12:30. We're printing it out here. I'll make this look beautiful. But anyways, now you guys see that it works. We get the top 6 news articles. Don't mind that 5. And we also get the weather. Boom. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're brand new to the channel and haven't already done so, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.